Why is generator battery service important? Battery testing and inspection is an essential part of generator preventative maintenance. Batteries are one of the most overlooked generator parts at facilities, yet battery failure is one of the most common causes of generator failure. Batteries provide power to the generator engine starter when needed. They are the life of the generator and can fail due to age, condition, or declining cold cranking amps. When performing generator preventative maintenance or emergency service, our technicians will make sure to test the battery charger, all connections, and breakers. 1. What is a battery? A battery is the collection of one or more electrochemical cells that convert stored chemical energy into electrical energy. 2. What are the types of batteries? Types of batteries are primary batteries, secondary batteries. Primary batteries. The primary battery is made for only single use. Once it is used, it cannot be recharged and is thrown away. How secondary batteries are classified? Secondary batteries are classified as lead-acid battery, lithium battery, nickel-cadmium battery, sealed maintenance-free battery. Most generator sets use a lead-acid battery, available in two primary types. Conventional lead-acid battery. These batteries have individual caps for filling and testing the electrolyte. Regular maintenance is required to check the electrolyte levels and specific gravity. Maintenance-free lead-acid battery, sealed battery. These batteries are often referred to as sealed because they cannot be topped off with electrolyte or have their specific gravity checked. Ideal for low-maintenance applications. Regular inspection and maintenance. Regular testing and inspection will help to maximize battery life. A routine inspection at least once a month is recommended to maintain optimum performance. Safety first, turn the generator off, disconnect the charger, and wear gloves or glasses. Voltage and load testing. Test voltage. Use a multimeter to test the battery voltage at regular intervals. Load testing. Perform a load test periodically to assess the battery's performance under simulated load conditions. Lead-acid battery voltage check. Use a multimeter set to DC volts, 20 volts range, connect red to positive and black to negative terminals, and read the voltage. It should read around 12.6 volts when off and 13.7 to 14.7 volts when running. Ensure good ventilation, as lead-acid batteries can emit explosive gas. Keep metal objects and tools away from the terminals to prevent short circuits. Electrolyte. Lead-acid batteries require proper electrolyte levels to function efficiently. Check the water levels every 2 to 3 months or during routine maintenance and top up with distilled water only. Specific gravity. Lead-acid use hydrometer. Aim for 1.300 fully charged. Extreme heat or cold can significantly impact battery performance and lifespan. High temperatures can cause the electrolyte to evaporate, reducing battery capacity, whereas cold weather can thicken the electrolyte, reducing cranking power and making it harder to start the diesel generator. Keep away from the sunlight. Keep the terminals clean. Dirty or corroded terminals can cause poor electrical contact, reducing battery performance and lifespan. Clean the terminals regularly to avoid voltage drops and power loss. Ensure proper connections. Loose or faulty connections can cause power loss and increase wear on the battery. Ensure that the connecting cables are tightly secured and connected to the right poles. Check cables and clamps for signs of wear, corrosion, or fraying. Replace them if damaged. Operator can check the battery voltage level via this voltmeter, which located in the control panel box. Trickle charge. Ensure that a trickle charge is available at all times to keep the battery topped off and ready for use. Exercise the generator. Start and run the generator periodically to keep the battery cycled and the system healthy, even if it's not needed for power. Proactive replacement. Even with perfect maintenance, plan to replace batteries every 3 to 5 years for backup systems, as per industry recommendations, to prevent unexpected failures. Why it matters. A dead battery is a primary cause of generator failure, leading to potential critical downtime in commercial buildings, businesses, factories and all critical facilities. Proper maintenance ensures it's ready to start the engine when the power goes out. Always follow the manufacturer's specifications and guidelines for maintenance, and keep track of the battery's age to determine when replacement is necessary. This approach will help keep your generator set in optimal working condition, ensuring that it is always ready when you need it. Tips: always remember that a well-maintained battery lasts longer and has high performance and durability. Thank you for watching one of our many educational videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Learn from the experts to become a professional. Please do watch these videos for more practical knowledge. If you are looking for a reliable, highly skilled, professional, and cost-effective facilities management service provider, AMPS should be your first choice.